Upgrade your glass door in minutes. No drilling needed. Now 29% off. Meet the M901S Smart Glass Door Lock, available in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth versions. Control access with your smartphone, fingerprint, PIN, or card. Perfect for swinging glass doors. Want to see how easy it is? Watch our quick install video now and upgrade your space in no time.
Install mounting plate on door. Install striking box. Screw on. Install the striking box case and screw on. Install the lock front panel and screw on. Connect front and back panels. Plug the cable in the port of back panel and mount the back panel on the bracket. Screw on from the lock side. Remove battery cover by taking off the screw on the back cover. Put on batteries, cover and screw on. Then the installation is completed.
Get yours today at 29% off while supplies last. Link in bio.